Step 1. Choose a space large enough for your car to fit. Step 2. Signal, then stop even with the front car, about 2 feet out from the space. This will alert any drivers behind you. Be sure to signal before you pass the spot you want to parallel park in. Step 3. Make sure you will not interfere with oncoming traffic. Step 4. Now turn your front wheels all the way to the right and back slowly toward the curb. Step 5. When your front seat is opposite the rear bumper of the car ahead, turn your steering wheel all the way to the left. Step 6. Back slowly toward the car behind you without touching it. You should be about 6 inches from the curb. Do not park more than 18 inches from the curb or edge of the road. Step 7. Straighten your front wheels and pull into the final parking position and center your car in the space. And finally, step 8. Put your car in park and give yourself a high five.